Uh, Hello student, today I will discuss about the storage of the cereal grains. Cereal grains such as the wheat, corn, rye, oat, rice, etc. are the important nutrition and energy sources for the human. They must be stored, transported, conveyed using method that preserve their quality. Storage varies with the length of the time and ranging from short-term storage on the farm for drying to long-term storage for the strategic reserves. That is, storage can occur on the farm or at large commercial facility. Loss in stored grains in the nearby 20% of the whole production due to the population increasing globally, a huge demand for the cereals and improper storage condition, microbial pest, enzymatic activity, mechanical effects, foreign matter damage and heat problems which result in the quality loss in the grain during the storage. Can it can be prevented by the right storage method using the proper machine and equipment. Today, up to today, many storage methods have been used to ages for the ages. However, traditional and modern method, the aim of the storage grain is to protect the quality of grain, prevent the grain losses, and conserve the product in a proper way. Post harvest loss caused by the climate region, country, crop, infrastructure, and method of the storage is major problem for the cereal safety. Safe grains harvest and the storage play a crucial role to prevent the losses caused mainly by the weevil beetles, months, and rodents. Before the storage of the cereal, there are many protectional protectional points from the damage, such as the harvesting of the crops on the time, drying of the crops on the farm without waiting, and setting of new and old crops separately, cleaning of the crop from the foreign material, carefully selection of the storage sites, storage structure, and suitable fumigation of the empty storage. Storage design. Storage design for the storage of cereal grains. An ideal storage facility should satisfy the following requirement: maximum possible protection from the ground, moisture, rain, insects, pest, mold, rodent, birds, etc. Necessary facility for the inspection, disinfection, loading, unloading, cleaning, and reconditioning. Protect grain for excessive moisture and temperature favorable to both insects and mold development, economical and suitable for the particular situation. There are bulk storage. These are in the bulk storage. Large quantity of food grain can be stored. No need to purchase storage container like gunny. Insect incidents in less than bag storage, even this can be eliminated by the fumigation. Bag storage farm product are stored after the placing them in the gunny bag. Bags are easier to load or unload. Problem of the sweating of grain does not arise because the surface of the bag is exposed to the atmosphere. Some are the improved storage design. First, bitumen coal tar, bitumen and oblique coal tar drum, hapur bean, udaipur bean, stone beans, bamboo beans, and backed clay beans, PKV beans, pusa beans, and pusa cubit. Pusa kothar, metal beans, cellulose, aeration system. In the aeration system, forced aeration of the grain is one of the most effective non-chemical method in use for the control of the stored grain condition, biological activity, and gain quality losses. Air characteristics suitable for the aeration should be selected that will prevent and suppress the development of damaging organism microorganisms. Automatic aeration system control are one of the most cost effective tool available to the grain managers. Some modern method of the storage technology for the grain have been advanced with innovations on the main systems such as aeration, refrigerator storage, modified atmospheric storage, hermetic storage system in many development countries. Grain aeration already discussed. Refrigerated storage. In the refrigerated storage, the main objective of refrigerated storage in the summertime is to achieve temperature of less than 18 degrees centigrade to reduce insect activity. In this method, ambient air is cooled and then passed over the bulk grains. Existing aeration system. The initial investment for the refrigerated storage system is comparatively higher, but together with the dehumidified air method, it could provide answer to the practicability uh, practi- uh, practicability of aeration for the safe commercial storage in the tropical climate. In this way, cold centered silo design has been studied. In the modified atmospheric storage. In this storage system, warm climate for the cereal grain stored in the bags or in bulk. A new gaseous application technology, modified atmosphere, has successfully replaced the fumigants. Modified atmosphere and controlled atmosphere treatment has been proved not only to control insect but also preserve the quality of commodity with no residue after treatment. Next, hermetic storage. Hermetic storage is based on the bio-generated atmosphere. Generation of oxygen depleted and the carbon dioxide enriched in inter initial atmosphere initial atmosphere is result of the respiration of the aerobic organism living in the commodity. The method enables insects and other aerobic organism in the grain or the grain itself to generate the modified atmosphere by reducing oxygen, increasing carbon dioxide concentration through the respiratory metabolism. Respiration activity of the living organism created an atmosphere containing about 1 to 2% oxygen, about 20% carbon dioxide. Insect control successfully due to the hermetic storage treatment is comparable to the conventional fumigants, and losses due to the insect activity are minimal. Low oxygen, high carbon dioxide environment kills the insect and mites kill the insects and mites, paste and prevent the aerobic fungi from growing. Thank you.